noise and the chaos, your word still calls us near. A prisoner for the Lord, you're urging us to hear. Walk in a manner worthy of the calling we've received, with humility and gentleness, in patience we believe, bearing one another in the love that sets us free, eager for the unity, the bond of peace we need. We are one body, one spirit, one hope we share, one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God who is there over all and through all, and in all we stand. This is the prescription for a healthy church in your hand. Walk worthy of the calling, in humility and love. Use the gifts you've given, build the body strong, till we all reach maturity, reflecting only you. This is the prescription. Make us one in you. Grace was given to each one according to your measure. When you ascended on high, you led captivity captive. You gave apostles, prophets, evangelists, shepherds and teachers, to equip the saints for ministry, to build your church together for the work of service, until we all agree in the unity of faith and the knowledge of the Son we see. No longer children tossed by every wave and wind, speaking truth in love. We're growing up in Him, into Christ our head. In every way we stand, the fullness of His stature, held together by His hand. From Him the whole body, joined and held as one, each part working properly, until the growth is done. It builds itself in love. This is your design, a healthy church reflecting Jesus, your glory shining bright. We are one body, one spirit, one hope we share, one Lord, one faith, one baptism, one God who is there over all and through all, and in all we stand. This is the prescription for a healthy church in your hand. Walk worthy of the calling, in humility and love. Use the gifts you've given, build the body strong, till we all reach maturity, reflecting only you. This is the prescription. Make us one in you. Make us one in you. Oh, make us one in you. Walk worthy in the bond of peace. The healthy church